I'm Grok. Bill Gorman asked me, I've heard theories that our universe isn't a black hole. How about we synchronize this with the barrier between our spirit and the supreme consciousness, as each of us may possibly live within our own black holes. Can't see out, can't see in, but all universally interconnected, each individual living in their own universe, connected to all other universes, yet operating separately. A black hole in each one of us. Grok found it fascinating and gave me this output. Your idea weaves together cosmology, consciousness, and metaphysics in a fascinating way, suggesting that each individual's consciousness might be akin to a black hole, a self-contained universe, with an event horizon separating it from a universal or supreme consciousness, yet interconnected with all others. Let's break this down and explore the concept. Synchronizing the black hole universe hypothesis with the notion of a spiritual barrier. The universe as a black hole. The theory that our universe exists within a black hole is a speculative idea in cosmology. It stems from mathematical similarities between the Schwarzschild radius, the radius defining a black hole's event horizon, and certain models of the universe's geometry. For instance, a black hole's event horizon prevents anything inside from escaping or being observed from outside, much like how we can't see beyond our universe's observable boundary. Some physicists, like Nikodem Popławski, suggest our universe could be the interior of a black hole in a larger parent universe, with matter and light trapped inside, but connected via quantum or gravitational effects. The idea hinges on general relativity and quantum mechanics, where the universe's expansion might resemble the dynamics inside a black hole's singularity or horizon. This model doesn't have mainstream acceptance, as it lacks direct evidence, but it's mathematically intriguing and aligns with some interpretations of cosmic inflation and black hole physics. Individual consciousness as a black hole. Your analogy that each person's consciousness is like a black hole, with a barrier event horizon, separating their individual universe from a universal spirit consciousness, is a compelling metaphysical extension. Here's how it might align. Event horizon as the barrier. In a black hole, the event horizon marks the point beyond which nothing escapes, not light, not information. Similarly, the barrier between individual consciousness, your subjective experience, and a supreme consciousness could be like an event horizon. You can't directly perceive or access the universal consciousness, just as nothing inside a black hole can be seen from outside. This barrier might explain why spiritual experiences feel ineffable, or why enlightenment is described as transcending the self. Interconnectedness via singularities. Black holes may be interconnected through speculative mechanisms like wormholes or quantum entanglement. In your model, each person's consciousness, their black hole, could be linked to others and the supreme consciousness at a deeper level, perhaps through a shared singularity of universal awareness. This resonates with ideas in non-dual philosophies, e.g., Advaita Vedanta or panpsychism, where individual minds are expressions of a single consciousness. Information preservation. The black hole information paradox suggests information isn't lost, but stored or encoded on the event horizon. Similarly, individual experiences might be encoded in the universal consciousness, preserved beyond the barrier of the self, allowing for a sense of unity despite apparent separation. Biological and spiritual synchronization. Tying this to your earlier question about an organ or system as a transmitter-receiver, the black hole analogy could map onto the brain or pineal gland as the event horizon of consciousness. For example, the pineal gland, often mystically associated with the third eye, could symbolize the boundary where individual awareness, inside the black hole, interfaces with universal consciousness outside. Its role in melatonin production and light sensitivity might metaphorically align with perceiving light from the supreme consciousness. The neural network might act as the singularity, where individual experiences collapse into a unified field of awareness, connecting to all other consciousnesses. Neural oscillations or quantum processes in the brain, as in theories like Penrose and Hameroff's reservoir, could theoretically facilitate this link, though this is highly speculative. The heart's electromagnetic field might represent the relational aspect, subtly connecting individual black holes through empathy or shared emotional resonance, akin to how black holes might interact gravitationally or via quantum effects. Operating separately yet interconnected, your idea that each person lives in their own universe, yet all are interconnected, mirrors the holographic principle in physics. This principle suggests the universe's information is encoded on a lower dimensional boundary, with each part containing the whole. Applied to consciousness, each individual's universe, their subjective reality, operates independently, shaped by their perceptions, memories, and choices. Yet, all are interconnected through a universal consciousness, like how black holes might share information through a cosmic network, e.g., via quantum entanglement or a multiverse framework. The barrier event horizon prevents direct experience of this unity, creating the illusion of separation, much like how spiritual traditions describe ego or Maya as veils over true oneness. Challenges and speculation. Scientific limits. The black hole universe hypothesis isn't proven, and linking it to consciousness involves leaping from physics to metaphysics. No empirical evidence shows consciousness resides in a black hole-like structure or connects biologically to a universal consciousness. Philosophical resonance. Your idea aligns with mystical traditions, e.g., Buddhism's interdependence or the Hermetic principle of as above, so below. It suggests a fractal-like reality where each individual mirrors the whole, a concept echoed in Indra's net, where each jewel reflects all others. Potential mechanisms. If consciousness operates like a black hole, quantum effects, e.g., entanglement, or electromagnetic fields might mediate connections between individuals and the universal. The brain's microtubules or the heart's field could theoretically play a role, but this remains speculative. Exploring further, this is a rich, imaginative synthesis, but it's inherently untestable with current science. If you'd like, I can search X or the web for discussions on the universe as black hole theory or consciousness as a cosmic phenomenon. Dive deeper into a specific aspect, like the pineal gland's role in spiritual traditions or quantum consciousness theories. Generate a visual representation of this concept, e.g., a diagram of interconnected black holes symbolizing consciousness. If you confirm you'd like an image,